The newly appointed members of the NRM Electoral Commission have officially begun their duties. They are James Tweheyo, Fred Omach, Julian Auma, Zaitun Driwaru, Jane Alisemera, and James Chinobe.
Where we needed manpower most. So we have just received them and showing them their work address. And going forward, definitely, the commission will be more vibrant and active. And you'll see the changes that they will bring in. No, the message is the party is a very big organization with a lot of expectations. We need to serve our members with a lot of diligence and a lot of respect and give everybody due attention because the members are the owners of the party. We are just workers. So we need to serve them diligently.
The Secretary General of the NRM, Richard Todong, expressed happiness and welcomed them. He said they were much needed since the party is preparing for a busy political season.
Part of the things we are going to discuss with the SEC. I was just giving you a hint of part of the changes we think we should recommend. But there are many others. We shall, at the right time, release them to the public.
NRM Treasurer Barbara Nekesa urged the new members to build teamwork, something she said will help the commission to thrive.
Betwakafuna okuva eri omukulembeze waffe w'ekibiina chairman wa NRM nga yatuweerezza bakomisona abalala bana okugatta ku babaddewo okwongeza okunyweza komishoni yaffe n'okwetegekera okulungi okw'okulonda kwe tugendamu okwa 2020.
Dr. Tang Odoy, NRM's Electoral Commission Chairman, welcomed the new members and urged them to focus on working hard and not waste time engaging in petty office politics.
I want to welcome all of you to the restaurant of the commission.
Can I first also welcome you to your new office?
Thank you.
Yes, Chairman.
Thank you. And John, you are with us for life.
The rest of the commissioners, they are
I'll accommodate all people and I'll be slow because I've been quick at times. I'll be slow to accommodate, but meetings will not take the whole day because we have to work. You are most welcome to this office. It's a freelance.
Thank you.
That side.